put it down. We're finished with that. Okay, now I'm going to put it in here. Okay. Yes.
Oh no!
Yeah, I know. Oh no, don't touch it. Hot, hot, hot.
Egg. I'm making egg.
Right. Yeah, just touch that. Yeah. I don't know why it's not cooking yet. This is the way we cook our eggs, cook our eggs, cook our eggs. This is the way we cook our eggs early Wednesday morning. Almost ready.
I cooked the egg.
Okay.
No, wait a
Okay.
minute. It's your
Yep.